3 types of video content you must have. When you're creating content for your business, there are 3 types of videos that you need to be creating. These types of content are going to help you reach new audiences and also foster growth within your current community. Number 1 is you want to be doing trends. Trending videos tend to reach new audiences and help expand your reach to new followers. Number 2 should be evergreen content videos. Evergreen content means that it stays, evergreen, meaning that information is going to stay the same months or even years after you post it. So it'll stay fresh, and when it comes back around, it'll still be applicable not only then, but even now. Lastly, you need video content that tells people who you are. If they don't know who you are, then they are not going to stick around very long. Now, mind you, you don't need a ton of this content, but every once in a while, you do need to reintroduce yourselves. And be sure to hit the follow button if you are interested in all things social media.